So very warm welcome to all. In last class, we discussed how to calculate the quantity of RCC work separately. Here, today we are going to discuss how to calculate rate analysis for dam proof course. I earlier told you that in last class that you must go through the DPC functional requirement. I think that you all are aware what is DPC. Okay. Now, estimation of the material. Okay, the what is the your area of DPC? That is 100 square meter. Area of DPC is 100 square meter. As I earlier told you that DPC is calculated in square meter. So the volume of the concrete, how much volume of the concrete required? That is area into thickness. That will be equal to your area into thickness. Okay, here thickness is 25 mm. Okay, so 100 into 0.025 meter. Okay, you while calculation all thing that you are very familiar that all quantities are must be all the units are must be same. Here unit is in meter, so this you have to convert this in meter. So that will be 2.5 cubic meter. Okay, it is given that is how you calculate quantity of cement bag that we discussed in earlier uh, examples that suppose you are having 2.5 cubic meter. For producing of 2.5 cubic meter weight volume we have to require 1.25 times of this. Okay, from this calculation we calculate number of cement bag required. Okay, then we have to calculate number of cement bag, that will be 16 point half bag. Okay, 16.5 bags. So the total volume in kg 16.5 into 50. Okay, so the volume of sand required is 1.10 cubic meter. Volume of coarse aggregate 2.20 cubic meter. Quantity of waterproofing compound required, that is 3% by weight of cement, that is equal to 3% into 16.5 into 50, that is 25 kg. Now come to the rate analysis. Okay, so for DPC 100 square meter area, material, what material that we use? Cement, sand, coarse aggregate and waterproofing compound. So the quantity of cement bag is 16.5 bags, 320 rupees per bag cost. Okay, so total cost will be 5280. Sand 1.10 cubic meter, that is 350 per cubic meter, that is 350. 385, sorry. Coarse aggregate 2.20 per cubic meter. 800 per cubic meter is the cost. So the total cost is 1760. Waterproofing 25 kg. Cost is 25 per kg. That will be 625. Now estimation for the labor charges. Head mason half number 450 per day. That is 255. Mason 8 number 350 per day 2800. Mazdoor 8 number 220 per day, that is 1760. Okay. Now Bishti 1 number 220 per day, that is 220. Tools and plant sundries lump sum amount, that is 500. So that is okay. So the total material and labor cost will be 13150. Additional 1% to the water charges 197 rupees. Additional 10% to the contractor profit 1315. Grand total 14667.83. So the rate per square meter, that will be 146 in Indian rupees. Okay. So next example is random rubble masonry. In cement mortar is 1:6 foundation and plinth. First, estimation of the material. First we calculate 11.7 cubic meter of undressed stone. Undressed means there is no dressing. Whatever stone that you collected from mining, you have to use that. And 0.80 cubic meter through stone, that is header, is required for 10 cubic meter of random rubble masonry. Further, 4.2 cubic meter of dry mortar material, cement and sand are required for some same volume of random rubble masonry. So note the key point. For 10 cubic meter random rubble masonry, 11.7 cubic meter undressed stone and 0.80 cubic meter header stone is required. 4.2 cubic meter of dry volume is required. So now come directly for the rate analysis. As you all are having your notebook along with you while watching this video, you please calculate how much quantity of cement is required for 4.2 cubic meter. Ratio is 1:6. That will be 4.2 divided by 7. Okay. I calculate over here. See. Cement. Sorry. This is for cement. What is? That will be 4.2 is your total dry volume. 4.2 divided by 7. So what the total volume is cement is 0.6. Okay. For 1 bag cement contain 0.0347. So what is 0.6 cubic meter of cement? Number of bag required is 17. You have to divide this quantity, and that is 0.6 divided by 0.0347, you get 17 bag. Okay. Same, remaining is cent 320 per bag, that is 5440 Indian rupees. Sand 3.6 cubic meter 350 per cubic meter 1260. Undressed stone 11.7 cubic meter, that is 200 per cubic meter 2340. Tristone 0.8 cubic meter, that is 250 per cubic meter, that is 200. Now labor charges. Labor charges are as following: head mason half number 450 per day, 225 is the cost for that. Mason 10 number 350 per day, 3550. Majdur 17 number 220 rupees per day, 3740. Bishti, the person who supplies the water for mixing purpose, 220 440. Lump sum, that is tools, plant and sundries, that is 200. So the total 17345. Add additional 1.5% for water charges and 10% to the contractor profit. After adding this water charges and contractor profit, what we get? This is contractor profit. Total cost is 19339.67. So this quantity for how much? That is 10 cubic meter random rubble masonry. For rate per cubic meter will be 1934. So is it clear understanding from this example that for placing random rubble masonry, 10 cubic random rubble masonry, we required 11.7 cubic meter and dress stone 0.8 cubic meter, that is header stone 4.2 cubic meter dry volume of cemented sand. Clear? From that we calculated all these quantities. Again, request you, if you find any problem, kindly post your queries to our Google Classroom. I will respond over there. Okay, thank you.